the child doesn't think negative. The child is always cheerful unless it is sick. Otherwise, child is cheerful, enjoys. Okay, sometimes when they fall, they cry, but then they laugh, no? They giggle and all. And Jesus wants us to have the good qualities of a child, the total trust in Him. That we should not discriminate people based on their place of birth, their skin color, their age, their gender, their language, their culture, their social status. Therefore, Jesus gives us the model, the child. And then He tells the parable, which you are very familiar with. A shepherd had 100 sheep. One went astray. He left 99 and went for searching for that one. And when he found that, he was glad. He comes back and tells everyone, rejoice with me because I have found my lost sheep. You must understand the context of Jesus' time. At Jesus' time, there were shepherds. Sometimes the sheep belonged to the owner and they were the hired workers. Sometimes they were the owners. And the shepherds never went for grazing alone. There were other shepherds with their flocks, and all of them are there in the open place. So this shepherd who had 100 sheep lost one. Now he left 99. Who took care of that 99? The other shepherds. They were there. Therefore he could leave them. Otherwise wolves will come, dogs will come and attack his sheep. So he had that trust with the other shepherds. They will take care of my sheep. Therefore he goes after that one sheep. Why did he go? Because that sheep belongs to him. He loves it. He cares for it. And after searching, taking a lot of trouble, he comes back with cheerfulness and with joy. And invites his neighbors and all, tells them, rejoice with me.